How to make your ex miss you. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I'm your relationship expert. And in today's video, I want to answer the question, how to make my ex miss you and feel that he or she wants to get back with me. This is just an important topic and I will tackle every detail with you in this video. But make sure that you will smash the like button and you will subscribe to Love Advice TV. With Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Abby and myself, we are here for you. We want to provide you results. So, how to make your ex miss you? Tips number 1, it's all about social value. If your ex can feel that you have a lot of people commenting your social post, if you talk to the people that you have in common, even his family or friends, if you can make some jokes and show positive energy, your ex will start to miss you. He or she will start also to feel that they need to come back with you because there is such a connection, because you are linked to each other, and of course, because you are always in this positive and new energy. I insist, positive and new energy. So tips number 1, try to make sure that you will be perfect on social media and with the people that you know. If it's his family or friends, sometimes you can say, oh my God, look, I watched this movie, it's amazing, you should go and watch it. If it's his brother, his sister, his cousin, whatever, okay? You can do some actions to rebuild the link and to show positive and new energy, okay? That's how you will make someone miss you. That's how you will make someone react at the fact that you have changed and maybe they are missing something if they don't come back right now. Step number 2, if you want your ex to really miss you, you need to do a no contact, at least the radio silence. What does it mean exactly? You will not do the first step. For now, we don't want to talk to him or to talk to her. We don't want to send text message. We don't want to ask to meet because it's too early. We will do it when you will change your life, your physical appearance. Maybe you're going back to the gym. Maybe you're doing new activities. You have to set foundation before to ask to meet your ex again. And the best way to make your ex really miss you will be by you doing things that you were trying to do but you'd never done before. For example, if you like to travel, it's the right time now to book some tickets. Even if it's just 1 or 2 hours away from your city, if you show your ex that you're doing what you were planning to do, he or she will miss you immediately. Because your ex will tell himself or herself, if I don't come back now, I will lose the person I was waiting for. I will lose the person I was crazy about. Would I make this decision? And the difference is simple. If you stay home doing nothing, your ex will not lose anything. If you go out, your ex will miss you, will miss the moment that you are enjoying actually, which is very important for us, okay? Tips number 3. If you want to make sure that your ex will miss you, you need to meet only if you have activities to do. Don't go to talk. Just go if you have something to experience, something where you can create memories. And the most important thing is to leave when the attraction is here. If you feel that your ex is connecting to you, like touching you, wants to kiss you, even if you have the first kiss, then you need to leave. You need to say, oh, I'm so sorry, I have a lot of things to do. It was so cool to catch up. Let's do it one more time. Let's do something new one more time. You will be able to set the tempo. You will be able to set the pace of the breakup recovery process, right? Because you will show to your ex that he or she needs to organize something. And that's why I'm here today to tell you, yes, we can make your ex miss you. Yes, we can make your ex regret his or her decision. But the only one way to do it is to not focus at their life. It's to focus at your life. And then talk to your ex. Okay? Don't make the mistake to talk about love, feelings, to say, I will change, I promise. Because when you do so, you're needy. And your ex will not miss you. Your ex will take you for granted. And your ex will just pull away again and again. So we can change this situation. If you need more help, just come on our website, withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles and you can book a private coaching session. Together, we can change your love life. It just takes one session to be able to set the plan and then to organize actions. So remember, today you can change your love life. Today you can make your ex miss you. You have to smash the like button. You have to subscribe to Love Advice TV. We are here for you. And you have to come back with a good mindset, the mindset of a champion, because you can make your ex regret and miss you. I will see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.